Hi. So, hello everyone. Welcome to SmartPaths. We are here to streamline academic evaluations with our private and secure AI agents. And we are also backed by Mississippi State University Centership of Entrepreneurship Program. The current problem we are try to solve is the manual grading process. Most of the universities still do the student evaluation process as a manual process. And as a human, we are prone to make some mistakes. And we don't have the same mentality when we are correcting first paper versus the 100th paper of student responses. And this problem of the error is very much strikes into the students overall. So our survey results shows that 53.8% people feel mentally exhausted while evaluating student responses, and they spend more than 5+ hours. And 47.4% of the students feel that evaluation is biased and need for more feedback on their evaluations. And 62.1% of the faculties feel that manual evaluation is affecting their other responsibilities. So the SmartPath Solutions is the human-in-the-loop private AI agents as a service. This AI agent automates the process of manual grading processes. So currently we have launched our public beta version and we provide 100% security and our bias reduction is 95% and we give some 5% since we are using the human in the loop and our accuracy rate is 96% and time savings is 95%. And here on the right side, you can see the manual grading versus the AI-based grading. We have evaluated over 970 students. Usually we see a lot of gap, but as the AI model learns, it comes very closely to the human grading marks. And how our evaluation works. So our faculty just needs to upload the model Q&A student responses. We generate a customizable rubrics and the faculties can tailor it to their needs. And each student responses will go through an ensemble grading approach and aggregate it to another LLM, which is prompt-tuned and fine-tuned. And this is our evaluation result. The website, you can see the customizable rubrics where the faculty can tailor it according to their needs. And right side is the evaluation result. We not only provide the scores, we provide the justification and feedback on each question specific for the student to have continuous learning. And our market opportunity, that entire global AI agents market is projected to reach 350 billion, and we aim to capture the 2 to 5% of the SAM and so on. And coming to the SmartPath traction, we on the December 2024, we launched our MVP, and by April, we have 35 active users, and we are seeing 400% overall growth. And we have also received funding from Mississippi State University of around $3,000. And coming to the team, I'm Dr. Pratik Shantarama, visionary founder, president, and CTO, and an assistant research professor at MSU, and an ex-Qualcomm and S-Sequence. And along with me, I have Vivek Srinivas, who is a passionate founder and CEO, who is currently working as a data engineer at Acrons and XDEL. And coming to our financial projection, we use an assumption data of total academic institutions in the US and average 10 departments. We aim to reach 1.5 million with just 10 universities and 10 departments, charging at $14.99. And our ask is 800K, and this is our breakdown of how we use the funds. And currently, all the universities are going digital transformation, and we are transforming the academic operations with AI, and market is massive for this, and the SmartPaths is purpose built for academic purpose. Thanks.
Got it. Well, nice presentation, at least, but again, busy slide deck that need to be cleaned up. If I have to give your marks, I would say take out 50% of the content out of your slide deck. And it can be done with a good communication specialist. And you are in a college system, so try to get somebody from the marketing department, somebody who is studying marketing and communication. Those kids should be able to do it for you. You are on something big. US has a big market for these things, and US is always early adapters of this. But tell us that how you are going to reach out to those colleges and do it. When you are comparing that, the form is completely customizable, and when you put a screenshot, it becomes difficult to read. I have a pretty large screen in front of me, and I'm staying about 2 feet away from there. Still, it becomes very, very large, very, very difficult to read. How you can graphically represent that, just say forms are customizable. We will read it, we will understand it, rather than showing me a screen, or keep a screen in the background as a watermark and then put words on top of that. Otherwise, what happens that, when you are showing me a screenshot, I try to read those smaller fonts.
Hmm.
And then it becomes very, very difficult. But I think you are doing something good. Customer acquisition strategy need to be put in there, and the return to the investors. Because you just got $3,000 from Mississippi State University. How much you have committed yourself and your co-founder, your passionate co-founder, and then those things also need to be listed in there. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, great.
Yeah.